Microphone testing.
Hello.
1, 2, 3.
Great.
Oh, fuck, I need a knife. I need a knife.
It's literally across the road.
This is the best part of it.
Made in Japan.
7 weeks, man. 7 fucking weeks, man. God dang. Dude, they don't have this anywhere. There's no more records that have this. The car's too old now. Oh, that's Honda grease, baby.
Honda grease.
I love that Honda grease. Look at this. Oh, what are we doing here? Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah. This is that unit. Oh, it's the motor. Swanky. Oh, brand new bolts. Don't have to use my old. At least those ones I don't. Wait, are these? No, that's just holders. This is threads on them. Alright, Dan.
Okay,
Do you remember how to get it? Remember?
It probably goes through here.
Yeah, but then the window. So we put.
Okay, I think we still have to put the regulator in.
Yeah.
And then we got to...
But regulate it in first, then
put the
window slide in, then we bolt it in from the inside, right? Because that's why we took this out.
Oh yeah, shit.
Right? So we have to bolt it into the window. Yeah. And then...
Oh, yeah, it's definitely last. Like one of the last steps. Oh, that's where that is. Oh my god.
Is yours?
Yes.
This is Sydney.
I was like blaming my father-in-law. Did you use it? No, I don't have it.
Where's my tape roll?
No, I'm
Cool, man. I like it. Alright, well, this.
Yeah, it's definitely like the last thing.
And then we got some screws in here, bro.
Oh shit. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay, some trim pieces. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
I don't know where the other bolts are. Oh fuck, there's a spider. My stout.
Stallion?
My stout.
Okay, yeah, it's probably all on there.
Yes, sir.
Did you show them the part and they're like, it's fucked?
No, because this, I took this to the wrecker to make sure he would give me the right one.
Okay.
But he didn't even have the part, the guy. Oh, make sure you like and subscribe for that unreleased video. Okay.
The bench.
The bench. Okay, so let's just flip this dude. Alright, so we got 2 bolts there. That's these 2 guys. Cool. That one here. Window attaches to these 3 holes. Yeah. But where the fuck are the bolts for those?
They're on the window.
Are they? See then? See then? See then? Our videos are just going to be full of inside jokes that no one gets.
Yes. I think that's how you build a community.
Oh,
If they're, you know, if you know, you know.
yeah. IKYKY.
If you see it, you know.
Because this got it too, bro.
Oh, like the thing on the motor.
Oh yeah, it sits in here somewhere. There's like,
Sides.
yeah, there's like a bolt section where it sits,
Okay.
where the motor sits. Yeah. All right. Bluey, let me. Oh, yeah, here. Motor sits here. Wee, pop, pop, pop.
You want some?
Okay, we got it locked there. Dude, what did we use this for? We had to unclip something, eh?
Alright.
You got that side? Yep.
I got it.
Okay. Is there bolts in there, bro?
Go again or support?
Oh, is it this way? Oh, it's on this. Maybe it's on this side. It's on the outside.
Well, this has to go on the inside, right? Because that's where this is.
Yeah, that's where those bolts are, but I don't know where
they
they
go on that side. I don't know.
Alright, look, I'll just take it off anyway, because we don't want to get stuck in there when we're in there. Okay, those are the ones over there. Okay.
What's happening, Joseph?
Look, let's get this dude. Oh, I've jammed it. Let me out get it. This corner out down here. Okay. Okay.
When you get up top.
Fuck, I just cut myself.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. That's sharp fucking Jap metal, bro. Did I go the wrong way?
Yeah,
What? But then this bolt's down there.
That kind of makes sense, actually.
I went the wrong way?
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
cool.
there's no bolts on that side, so it has to face this way. This must be
Okay.
that way. Yeah.
True, bro. Okay.
Ah.
Get,
Okay. Yeah, actually.
get out of there, bro.
Come here.
Should be clear. Should be clear.
Oh, okay. It's because it's.
Oh, that guy. That. Yeah. Perfect.
There we go.
Oh, fuck.
All right.
Idiot.
We'll try the other way.
Bro,
It definitely goes inside. Oh, sorry, alright. That goes inside. We never saw that.
Bro, it's the other way. Look at it.
Is it?
Yeah, bro. Look at it. It's wrong.
What do you mean? Oh.
Right?
No, no way.
Yeah, I think so. I think you're right.
Like that?
Yes, I think you're right. Look at the position of where the three holes of these are.
Okay.
It has to be like that, bro.
No, fine.
It has to be. It has
Wait,
to
those
be.
out?
No, they stay. Because we just
Oh yeah, that's fine. Just slots in.
they slide in. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, let's try this again. Oh, we go this way because we go up. Right?
With this, yeah.
Yeah.
It's on the top bit.
Okay, you got that? If you can guide that into the holes, I've got these guys here.
Alright, get you the belts.
Hold on 1 sec, I've got to get them in at the bottom here. So, you got yours in the holes?
Yeah, the motor.
They're sitting there? Yep. Okay, I'm just going to find. And this dude. Yep. And then.
Top and the bottom one.
That's sick, baby. That's fucking it. This is bottom.
The bottom, yeah. Oh, that's top.
This one's top.
Yeah.
Yep.
We might have to align it so.
Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it there.
In.
It's in?
It's in and it's.
It's in, but we haven't tightened anything, aligned anything yet, and then we still got to put the window in and then all the trims back in. But it's pretty much all. We're like 40%. Yeah,
Anything else?
it's good.
Lost any more fingers?
Okay, so that's all good. We just got to figure out this dude where this dude clips.
Also put the window in.
Yeah, I think so. It's the safest option.
Now and snag it and it's all.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so I got the door trim. I got these. This one is at 12 up here. This one's at 10, sorry. That's fucking handy, bro.
Let's put it in first.
Should I clean this window? Fuck me, it's disgusting.
You could, but only the outside matters, right?
Yeah, I just don't know what that is. Wait, hold that. Wait. Oh, it's like grease or something. Okay, that's alright. Yeah. No! Okay, hold that. Hold that.
This.
Yep.
That's not it.
Yep. Hold the glass.
Here you go.
Wait, how come there's... Where's the other side?
So I put that.
Nice, yeah. Hold on, let me just get this guy back into here, yep. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Oh, you got the glass?
I got the glass, yeah.
Okay. One second. Seems like there is... Okay, yeah, come down.
Yep.
Keep coming down. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now, what bolts were they? Alright,
Get some screws.
okay, hold on, stay there, yeah?
I got it.
You got it, you got it? Yep.
I think I need that one, yeah.
It's...
You sure? Because I just took that one off the window.
Where'd you get that?
Off the window.
Here,
I just arranged them on the thing.
Oh,
there's 3 of them.
3.
yeah, it would be these three, eh?
Yeah,
That's the 3.
main window.
The 3 main window ones. Okay. Sorry about 1 sec.
Is any adjustment on it?
There is, but...
Do you think it like
Come down. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Okay. Oh, man, there were holes for this. We should have fucking popped this dude in first.
10?
12. Oh, this one's a 12, yeah. We're in, bro.
Oh.
You can let go.
Oh my god.
So close. Just gotta find out where those other bits go. And then that thing goes up and down.
Non-round square piece.
Yes.
Is that piece?
Where does that go? On the window regulator or on the window?
Window. So the window has this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we literally just have to put that.
back on it. So then this is the intrusion bar
It's,
going across there.
yeah, that's on the side, yeah.
So
Thank you.
that's also the intrusion bar,
Thanks.
right? And it's facing
Yeah, towards us. Yeah.
towards
Must
us.
be. Must also be on all sides, facing
Towards us.
like inside the car.
Yes, facing inside to the car. Okay. Okay. So,
Cool.
do you remember how these bolt in? These guys? Do they just sit like this, you reckon?
Yeah.
They're just like that, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. I see.
We don't have to calibrate it. We go up.
I believe we will, yes. I need something to screw this in. It's hanging in there.
This probably is on me.
Pull it up or down? I think so. I might have to do that.
But we're gonna have to put something in there because the window will not know when to stop. Well, if you do the auto, this has auto function, right?
I believe so. So I'll go down first, and then I'll get this guy installed, and then hopefully we can access it on this side as well.
Okay. Plug in. Plug in.
Okay. So I go down.
Okay. Yeah. That's good.
Not go up, but there's. Hold on, 1 sec. Yeah. And then there's also this dude that we got to install as well, and then the white dude, the squid, behind you. Yep. There's a certain angle that it has to go away.
Yeah.
So
it's probably here. You see here? There's a spot right here. You see
that's where it stops, yeah.
Like it goes.
It goes up.
And then it just goes into here. See?
Oh!
It just.
Okay. Pretty fucking good.
Window is.
Yeah.
Yeah, up and down.
Alright, that's good. Those are in.
There's like another.
Oh yeah, you got it.
There's another switch in here.
I think that's tweeter, my tweeter. Alright, and try to pull it up on your side.
Come on, buddy.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Is that in?
Yeah, in here.
The glass
at
at the
bottom.
bottom. Yeah.
That one, yeah.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Alright?
Yeah, I just didn't want to hit anything.
You put it down. Okay. Yeah, I just have to write it underneath the regulator.
Yeah, okay. Then all good? Alright, we just have to lock the 3 bolts of the window in the middle to tighten it.
Yeah, it's plugged it back in.
Yep. Yeah, that's cool. Perfect, okay. Shit. There's nothing like OEM, baby. I can close it. I don't want to. Should I slam it? Close it?
How's the other door start the side close?
It looks similar. It's tight though. So this guy was assuming
up or white up? I don't know.
we've got a screw thing here, so I'm assuming that's gonna. Is that a branch?
I don't know.
All right, I'll leave that for now. Yeah. Okay, this is. I'm assuming it goes through there.
Just gonna press it down a bit.
Yeah.
So connect it all.
I don't want to get cut again. I don't want to get cut again. Money.
Must be something though.
No late changes for either Collingwood or Brisbane. Earlier today, the grand final sprint was won by...
And it's not close to the hard top, hey?
While Brisbane's Daniel Rich took out the longest kick competition just ahead of Brendan Favola. In other news, a Sydney man's been killed and his mate is in hospital after their murder of...
Are we done?
Park back in 1996.
The Skoda demo clearance. It's the same
I
high
almost-
style, just with more
I feel like
experience
Frodo, and we've
some
reached.
money off. Visit your local Skoda
We've
dealer
reached the
today.
volcano, and I'm a bit like,
Right now it's 28
whoa.
degrees at the MCG, warming
I wasn't
up to
expecting
29 with
this.
sunny skies and
It is
gusty
done.
winds
It's
ahead of this
done.
afternoon's AFL Grand Final between the Pies and the Lions. As to the
Sponsored by Amendment Spray Tans. We can even
like that's really good. This up here is really good as well. I feel like this might be actually a touch higher than the driver's side, but I don't know if this driver's side is old and shit. Oh, nah, it's about the same. About the same. Driver's side looks like it's maybe a mil.
It's
A
like
mil little bit.
on the front glass. It's like it's nearly at the.
So very similar. It feels like the passenger side's probably tighter, like as in
I
like
feel like the passenger side's more towards this.
forward.
Yeah, but
Anyways, that's good, dude.
is it? Whoa! Wow.
That's good.
See that.
Doesn't touch anything here. This is all good. It looks like it even sits in the old groove, if you know what I mean,
Okay.
of it. So that's good. All good, all good, all good, dude. That's it.
Nice.
That's it. Door card, please, my friend. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. That's it. Wanna wash your car? It's already clean. Oh, sorry then. My car's fucking ugly and dirty as fuck. And trust me, man, as they get older, the cleaner you can keep them, the better they look. You know what I mean? Honda should take us on, dude. I'm telling you, like, we're able to resume a project 2 months later and not miss a single screw.
Well, nah, you remember it, man.
Professionals, man.
Away, bro.
All right, baby, that's one. I just want to go top down, bro. Like, that's what I'm waiting for. Summer, nice, like summer nights, warm. Okay. Last test before I lock up, as in like plug the shit up.
Train this a lot more, but I'm of the school that Colin would come out here for 2 hours and give it their very, very best for 2 hours, and it'll affect them more in 2 or 3 days' time. We're backing up again next week, but there's no next week, so they can give everything. It mightn't have a huge impact at all, but certainly Brisbane, they're going to back themselves, but both teams are confident, and they've had great campaigns. Everything's gone perfectly. And when Neither's taken a risk with injury, Taylor Adams, they made that decision really early in the week, which I think was a...
Well, finished product.
Even the new part you can't even see. Like, that's the heartbreaking part. This is the same old window, the same old door card, but the new part's inside.
Yeah.
And 2 month wait, baby.